Imagine managing your tuition fees without stress. Installment plans allow you to break down payments into manageable chunks, offering flexibility and ease. Plus, enjoy competitive exchange rates with no hidden fees. Let's explore how this benefits you. Access the secure Flywire payment portal. Enter the full amount you need to pay to your institution and select the country you will be paying from. On the next page, click on the installment plan option to the right of single payment to configure your plan. Depending on your institution, you may be able to select the number of installments and the payment methods available from your country. Choose one of the card options for the installment amount to be automatically debited each month. After you choose your payment method, you will need to log into your Flywire account or create one to continue. Then, you will be prompted to enter the details of the person who is sending the funds. Make sure you fill in all the information carefully and tick the terms and privacy box before moving on. Once you have entered the rest of the details, please review and confirm to finalize your plan and make your first payment. You will receive confirmation and tracking information via email, ensuring you're always informed about your payments. Log in anytime to manage your plan, check your installments, or change your card details. When you log into your Flywire user account, you can go to the Installment Plans tab to check your ongoing plan. The total amount, number of installments, status, and payment method will be displayed. Click on Installment Plan Details to see the payments you've already made, as well as your upcoming scheduled payments. Should you need to update your card details, you can do that by clicking Manage Installment Plan and then Update Payment Method. After that, just enter the details of the new card you want to use and click on the Update Payment Method button to save the changes. You're all set. If you have any questions related to your installment plan, follow the link to contact Flywire's multilingual team, available 24/7 by chat, email, or phone. Thank you for choosing Flywire to gain control and peace of mind over your finances.